how to share location on your iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Find My application on your device and then tap on the people option you see there. You will then see the option for Start Sharing My Location. So tap on the Start Sharing My Location option, and additionally, you will be required to enter the contact name or the number with whom you want to share your location. So go ahead and enter the contact name or number, and then you will be required to choose the duration. So choose if you want to share the location for 1 hour or until the end of the day, or share indefinitely. And once you have selected your preferred option, the other person can now see your live movement. You can also share location via the Messages app. So open the Messages app and then open the contact with whom you want to share the location. Now tap on their name on top of your screen and you will see the option for Share My Location or Send My Current Location. So tap on that particular option, and if you share your location, you will be live tracked, and if you send your current location, then you will be sending your one-time PIN to that particular individual. Also, you can use the Maps app. So open Apple Maps and then tap on the blue dot on your screen, which is your location. You will then see the share icon there. Tap on the share icon and then go ahead and choose the app where you want to share the location with. So these were a few ways on how you can share your location on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.